Hey you guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm back with another hair video for you guys. And today I have some clip-ins, which is my all-time favorite hairstyle, and these are coming from one of my favorite brands, Amazing Beauty Hair. So they sent me 2 sets of their 18-inch clip-in hair extensions, and these are in the color number 3, medium brown. I did get my hair a little bit darker. You guys know I had like a balayage going on, but I'm trying to ease back into the darker colors, and I think that these are perfect. So I got these in the color number 3, and I got 2 sets, but I only used 10 clips total, and you guys will see like the exact ones as I install it in the video. But the volume of each set is 105 grams, so I have no more than about 180 to 200 grams of hair in my head for this style. I also trim mine a little bit because I like them a little bit shorter, and this is the length that I cut them to, probably about between 14 and 16 inches. But yeah, y'all, these are one of my favorite clip-in brands. As you guys can tell, if you search them on my channel, you'll see a lot of videos from them. I love the quality of their hair. It's always shining, and it always holds a really amazing curl. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave everything linked down below. I have a code, and it's ARachel for you guys to get 20% off, and I'll leave that link down below as well. And if you guys want to see how I install these clip-ins from Amazing Beauty Hair, then just keep watching.
About the way me and you get down. What are they jealous or they hate me? I guess they all have their own PhD. I wish that they would just stop sweating me. Stop trying to get the best of me. No matter what they say, baby, gotta move on, cause we're gonna be epic. Didn't get the thoughts that we had. Didn't get the words that we said. It's from the love we now say never. Yeah, yeah. Simple, just see you in. Now what they never found. Love that we had. Never say, never say, never say, never say. Finally to me. Who would ever think that they would have so much to say? We'll go on anyway. It's alright, it's okay. Take whatever comes our way. Together we will stay. I got 3 words to say. Never say never. I can't believe they stop our happiness, but trying to pull us down with such mess. Why can't they let us live just like the rest and keep us out of all this crazy madness? And when they talk, I think it's just a shame that all they do is sit and think my name, when all that I do is mainly sit and think about my baby.